MyTech Deck Designer is a free online interactive program that will help you quickly and easily design deck projects of all sizes. MyTech Deck Designer is easy to learn, easy to use, and allows for customization of the deck design with easy-to-navigate menu options. Using just the mouse, the 3D perspective allows you to size, shape, rotate, and zoom, all in 3D. Intuitive push-pull points allow for adjustments to any dimension. The left navigation menu is easily accessible and conveniently arranged in the typical order of a deck design project. The settings menu allows you to set many aspects of the deck design. Here you can set preferences for footer depths, live and static load values, and even set preferred joist spacing. To demonstrate just how easy it is to design a deck using MyTech Deck Designer, let's start with a 20 by 20 deck. Drag any of the push-pull points that are highlighted around the deck to adjust the size. Next, select the Set Deck Height tab from the Design menu. Deck heights are in 6-inch increments ranging from 2 feet to 12 feet. Perimeter shaping tools provide quick options for modifying corners and edges. Options include common perimeter details that, when selected, automatically adjust the railings as well as the structural framing for the deck, including curves and angles. Select any option, then pick the placement point on the deck design. Interior shaping tools allow for the creation of openings in the deck for trees, pools, or spas by simply dragging and dropping the selection on the deck design. Adjust any of these design elements using the push-pull points. Create a second level to your deck design with stepped up or stepped down options. Stair locations are easy to create and modify. Select from multiple stair designs, including stairs with landings. Then select the desired edge where the stairs are to be added. To size the stairs, simply click and drag any of the push-pull points in the design window. Landing heights can be adjusted by using the center pull point. Walls can be added with just a couple of clicks of the mouse. Determine whether the deck is to be attached to the house or freestanding. There are several common exterior wall types available to choose from in a variety of styles and colors. Doors and windows can be added to wall sections to help you better visualize the project. After establishing the layout, decking materials and trim details can be modified to allow deck professionals the ability to show various options. Options for decking material include both wood and composite decking. The structure is automatically adjusted for decking materials and direction. Easily incorporate design details such as planking direction by dragging and dropping design options directly onto the deck. Add a picture frame detail and preview color choices. The 3D perspective allows you to see the results instantly. Select from common railing types, including composite railing systems and wood railings, including ADA-compliant railing. Select and view various railing styles and color options. MyTech Deck Designer also designs the structural elements of the deck project with the ability to adjust the post, beam, and joist sizes used for the deck structure. Deck designers can determine the best use of material. Instantly see the effects of the number of posts required for the structure with the use of various lumber choices. Structural connectors are also accurately displayed in the 3D view and automatically added to the material list. MyTech Deck Designer includes many accessories which gives you the ability to visualize the amount of deck space needed for a project. Easily add items to the deck by dragging and dropping selections in the deck design window. Common accessories include seating options, tables, umbrellas, and grills. The Add a Spa menu allows you to include built-in and freestanding spas in your deck project and automatically adjusts the structure of the deck to accommodate the added weight. Let's personalize our deck by adding a photo of our house to use as a background. Select Backgrounds from the menu and then click on My House Photo. If you've not already uploaded a photo of the area of your house where the deck will be attached, select Upload Your Photo and follow the instructions for uploading your photo. If you have uploaded your photo, simply select the photo you want to use. MyTech Deck Designer makes it easy to edit any aspect of the deck project. Deck heights, dimensions, and design choices can all be modified by revisiting any of the deck menu options. Perhaps the most valuable part of MyTech Deck Designer is the ability to quickly generate design documents that can be printed or emailed. When the design is complete, the user can save and view printable reports that include 3D renderings, beam layouts, material takeoff, and cut lists. Generate a permit information report that includes load values and stress analysis of the deck project, plus additional information commonly required for permit applications. Export the material list as a CSV file in order to work with your material list as a spreadsheet. MyTech Deck Designer makes it easy to plan a project from start to finish. From concept to reality, MyTech Deck Designer is a powerful design tool for deck professionals. MyTech Deck Designer is a great way to collaborate and quickly share your ideas. Let MyTech Deck Designer help you get your deck projects off the ground.